What a fine day everybody, to watch a tutorial video and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Instagram account, and it's pretty simple. So follow the step which I'm gonna be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on. First step, you open your Instagram. Once you install your Instagram and open it for the first time, this is gonna be your interface. Now there's two ways to log in. If you created your Instagram using Facebook, you can click on login with Facebook. Click on continue and it's gonna take you to this page. Over here you need to enter your mobile number or email, whichever thing you used when you created your Facebook, and enter the password of your Facebook and click on login, and it's gonna log you into your Facebook, and through there your Instagram account will open up instantly. Alright, if you created your Instagram account using Facebook, you have to do that, but if you created your Instagram account using your phone number or email, then you need to go through other steps, and I'm gonna be showing you guys that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, as I said. Alright everybody, if you guys have done that, then over here where it says phone number, username, email, you can enter your phone number over here, or your username over here, or your email over here, whichever thing you used when you created your Instagram account. I'm gonna enter my username over here, but you can use whichever thing you want. After you enter your username, you can enter the password of your account, and after you enter your password, you're gonna be logged in into your account just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Instagram account. So I didn't show you guys my password due to security reason, but once you enter your password, there's going to be the login button at the bottom. You click on it and you log in into your account. It's that simple. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can log in into your Instagram account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.